Support. We'll be right back on American Idol. Can't cancel it all. After the break, will Alicia prove Simon wrong? Wait, here we go. Plus the wow factor from Jay Smooth.
He's all dicked off. Hey.
Bite him on the tail. I'll show you. I told you when your cat gets frisky, he's ready to fight. So I was lying to you when I said he pounces on his head. She was ready to give it up. And biting him on the leg.